Hi, today I'm going to show you how to install N8N on Windows. So first, simply navigate to the search bar and type in download node.js. Hit enter and click on download node.js link and it will take you to this page. Here, you're going to click on Windows installer, or you can choose any file that you want to install. So make sure that you're updated to the latest version with Node.js, and during installation, ensure that the option to add Node.js to your system path is selected. So simply navigate to your downloads and choose Node. Now install Node.js by clicking on next, accepting the agreement and clicking on next again. After that, simply choose to install it. After the installation gets finished, you'll have to simply open the command prompt. Simply press Windows plus R and type in cmd. Hit enter and in the command prompt type in npm install -g n8n. Hit enter. After you do this, it will start installing N8N. Then in the terminal, start N8N by typing N8N. Hit enter and this will start the N8N server that is accessible from your browser. Now it will say press O to start browser. When you press O, it will instantly open up your browser. We'll have to basically log in using your account, and then you can use tools like NSSM, that is Non-Sucking Service Manager, to run N8N as a Windows service for system startup. Additional tips: keep the Node.js and npm updated for best compatibility, use environment variables to configure N8N for production use, and refer to the official N8N documentation for advanced setup and integration. If you found this guide helpful, please don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and thanks for watching.